you want to give yourself permission to be yourself. Because again, you'll never be great being second. You know, as Einstein said, if you're a cat trying to be a fish, you're going to fail as a fish swimming. If you're a fish trying to climb a tree like a cat, you're going to feel like you're a failure. But if you honor yourself for who you are, you'll excel. And I'm a teacher. I stick to my core competency. I'm good at it. I love doing it. It's what I do every day. I can't wait to learn. I can't wait to research. Can't wait to write. Can't wait to teach. What is that you love doing? And when you're doing that, and by the way, if you're single or married, soon to be single, just know that when you're doing something you really love, that's when you're more likely to attract somebody that matches that, because you don't have to put on a facade. So many people go out to clubs, try to pick somebody up, putting on a facade, then worry about losing that facade and being loved for who they are. And then when they change, and all of a sudden the person feels, well, you changed on me. And both people are living in facades. And so that's the densest way to live. But being enlightened enough to be able to be yourself and love that and live by priority, wow,